Hi everyone.
Oh, my voice went weird. Hello. And welcome back to
another Disney Week video.
So this one's a bit different. We're not in Kyle's room today because we're going to be doing some baking.
Yeah.
We've got everything set up. So we've got our...
Got different shapes. We've got like...
Mickey's hand. Sweet. Mickey head.
And then like a side profile of Mickey.
And we've got everything set out here. So we just need to measure things out. Right. 110 grams of caster sugar. So we need 275. That's a lot. Hello Kyle.
Hi.
Sift in the flour and add the optional ingredients. Bring the mixture together with your hands until you form dough. But obviously we need all of this in first. Do you want chocolate chips in now? We can put a couple in now. If you want. Yeah or no?
I don't know. It's all sticking to the sides. They're not chocolate chips, they're milk chocolate.
White chocolate chips.
So we're just putting the flour on the side and then we're gonna roll it all up and then...
Might be a bit too much, but oh well.
Yeah. Oh, bits going everywhere.
Yeah. And then we can like...
Knead it together.
Yeah.
Oh, it went on the floor. And it went on.
Can you like brush it off?
So we're gonna do this one first.
Yeah.
That's alright. A bit droopy. Plate. Not plate, tray. Mickey hand.
Ignore what my hands look like. There we go. So there's another one.
Here are our cookies and we got 16.
We ran out. No, show this one. We ran out of
Yeah,
enough
just
to make a
make
shape,
circle.
so we just made a circle.
So we've got...
So we're just going to put them in the oven now. For about 10 to 15 minutes. So we've just got them out of the oven. This is what they look like, and you can see the white chocolate chips have turned brown. So they're ready to eat. And then there's the other ones over here. I'm going to have this one in a minute because it's a weird shape. Because there wasn't enough, but that's what they look like. So are you ready to taste test?
Yes.
Cool. Take your pick. It can be this one or from over there. I'm having this one because I wanted to try it to see if they were done. Mickey?
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Fall apart.
Ready?
Doing it at
3,
the same time.
2, 1. What do you think?
Alright.
Is it okay? Last time we did them in a vlog, we left them in a bit too long, didn't we? So we've been careful this time. Should we decorate them or not? No? Okay.
Just putting them in the tin.
They've pulled down, and so is the tray. Shall we end it here? Bye everyone, thanks for watching this Disney Week video. And yeah, the cutters we used, we found them on, I think it was Amazon.
Yeah.
So if you want to make your own Disney cookies, there's probably quite a few on Amazon.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.